Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Turbofan, suction and blowing machine. Let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included we have in the manual. If you want to read this your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Equip it with two air nozzles, one pre-install it at the unit, twist, pull to remove, and install the other one. And it locks. I like the design. You can use this strap here if you want. Elastic. One Type-C port, powered by 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery for ultimate mobility, and equip it with 40 watts fast charge power delivery 3. It fully charged in 3 hours only. Inside it has a high performance durable 40mm brushless motor, ensures efficient dust removal in both modes with 90,000 RPM speed. Press and hold this button. One LED light. First speed, we have 4 speeds. And off. Wow, I like that. That is very powerful. Of course I will test that. And we have N1 suction nozzle. Rotate, remove, washable and reusable HEPA filter for long-term use. Small container for lightweight cleaning. Rotate and it locks. And you can install that at the back here. If you want, you can remove the nozzle or not, it is your choice. Designed to tackle a variety of cleaning tasks, from targeting tight spaces. You can use this tool, this nozzle, or with a brush, with or without the brush, and install that here at the front. These interchangeable nozzles deliver precision and adaptability, making every job easier. One device, endless possibilities. And again with a button. Wow. Same in here. It feels very powerful. Lightweight build, easy to carry and maneuver for precision cleaning. And of course we have the charging cable, Type-C, and you need a 5V 2A power adapter. It is near fully charged. Let's wait and then I will start the test. 4 LED solid on, fully charged. And I will test the vacuum. Wow, amazing suction power. That is too much. I need to empty the container. Easy to maintain, Washable filter and cordless design simplify upkeep and use, portable and convenient, perfect for on-the-go cleaning or quick household tasks. With vacuum mode, quickly vacuums up dirt, crumbs and small debris with strong suction power. Some of the benefits of the ZoomYao Max: it is the dual-purpose cleaning, combines two essential cleaning tools into one compact device, safe for sensitive electronics, air blaster mode is non-static, making it safe for delicate electronics, even inflating mattresses or other inflatable items. The ZoomYao Max 2-in-1 air blaster and vacuum is a compact, versatile cleaning tool designed for effortless dust removal and vacuuming tasks. With air blaster mode, delivers powerful air bursts to dislodge dust and debris from hard to reach areas. With its dual functionality, it provides the convenience of blowing dust away or sucking it up, making it ideal for removing snow or water from your car, blowing dust from any surface such as delicate electronics, keyboards, and intricate objects. And that's the ZoomYao Max. Whether you need powerful air blasting action to tackle stubborn dust or compact vacuum for quick cleanups, this versatile tool has you covered. It's perfect for your everyday life. If this review helped you discover your next cleaning gadget, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more smart tools, tech reviews and cleaning hacks. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay clean, stay efficient, and I'll see you in the next video.